Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can use the tune curve in Adobe Lightroom. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do, we have to go to the library section, and after going to the library section, we need to import the image that which image you want to use. And for example, I have selected this image. Now I want to use this one. So what we have to do, simply after choosing the image, we need to go to the develop section, and after going to develop section, as you can see, you will see the tune curve option here. If you are not seeing, then you need to scroll down, and after scrolling down, as you can see, the option is here. Now simply we have to click on this, and after clicking on this, as you can see, the curves are provided here. Now if you want to change them, you can also do that. Like if you want to change this from here, it's up to you. You can also do that. As you can see, it's working like this, and this way you can do that. If you want to change this from here, you can also do that. As you can see, the things will get changing, and as you can see, these are options are also provided here, and the yellowish type RGB colors mode is provided here. For example, I'm going to the greenish one, and now simply I'm going to increase this little bit like this greenery. And after that, if you want to adjust this from here, you can also do that. As you can see, some other options are provided here. You have a custom option here, and linear is also provided here, and medium contrast is also provided here. I'm gonna change it as it was strong contrast. And after that, as you can see, so some blue color is also provided here. If you want to increase the bluish type color, you can also do that. So in this way, you can use a tune curve in Adobe Lightroom. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can use a tune curve in Adobe Lightroom. So see you guys in the next video.